Hello Audi fanatics. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove the rear lights in Audi A4 Avant, and I mean these lights. I have full LED lights, so normally they don't have to be removed, for example for changing the bulbs, because there are no bulbs. But it is handy to know how to remove them if you need to remove the rear bumper. It is quite simple to do, so without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing to do, you need to remove these panels and these soundproofing inserts and all the mess. If you have, like I do, I hope you don't mind. Of course, the same story on the other side. Only difference is on the other side I have this 12-volt charging point, so it has to be disconnected. If you have one, you just need to push the air and pull it out, the connector. Inside are these two studs, which are basically screws. So you just need to unscrew it. Like that. And then the other side. And theoretically the lights are free. All what you have to do, you need to pull it hard, because there on the end are two studs that are keeping our lamp. And those two holes are these two pins. And now we have here a connector. You need to push this thing and the connector will go. Just like that. And so here we go. The lights are removed. How to remove these lights I'm gonna show you in another video.